Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are gonna make something that is super good for these cold days because we still got snow outside and it's still below freezing. So today we are gonna make some chicken pozole. So let's get started. All right, friends, for this recipe we are gonna be using our Instapot for making our chicken. I have a frozen whole chicken here that we are gonna put right in our Instapot. All right, now with my clean hands, I've got some Knorr chicken bouillon, some black pepper, onion powder, some garlic powder, and I always add some ground turmeric. All right, now that our chicken is full with water, go ahead and put on your lid, and then we're gonna go to pressure cook, and we're gonna let it cook for 1 hour. I'll see y'all back in about an hour. All right, friends, so our chicken is all done. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull out our chicken so that it can cool and we can go ahead and piece it up. You can see it just falls apart. All right, now that we've got our chicken out, I'm gonna go ahead and strain this broth. And then go ahead and transfer our broth back into this bowl. All right, friends, so next thing is I've got a big can of hominy. This is a 6-pound can. I'm gonna go ahead and get this opened up, and we are gonna strain it and wash it before we put it in our chicken broth. All right, we're gonna take our strained hominy and we're gonna go ahead and dump it into our chicken broth. All right, friends, next step is I have some Hatch New Mexico chilies. These I got from my good friend, Monica, and they have been in the freezer and I've just been using on them as I go. But I'm gonna go through and remove the seeds out of them because these are hot and I can't handle too much heat. If you like heat, you can definitely leave them in. All right, friends, so I've got my chilies. This is some Tomatillo sauce that I made with some tomatillos over summer. I'm gonna use this with our green chilies, and we're gonna go ahead and blend it up. I'm gonna go in with some cumin and some crushed oregano. All right, we're gonna blend this up. Go ahead and add that in. And if you like a little bit of a thicker, do a couple scoops of hominy, and we're gonna go ahead and blend that up too. I'm gonna add a couple of bay leaves. All right, friends, and that is all we need to do for now. I'm gonna go ahead, cover this back up. I'm gonna let this pressure cook for 5 minutes. And while we're doing that, we're gonna work on our chicken. And with our chicken, we're gonna make sure that we get all the bones and the skin. All right, friends, so we have let this cook for 5 minutes in the Instapot, and now we just need to go in with our chicken. And then give this a nice stir. And then just remember to take out your bay leaves as you find them. All right, friends, let's go in and get ourselves a bowl. Now, doesn't that look good? So you can go ahead and add whatever you like to this. I'm gonna go in with some sour cream. Now let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, friends, so our pozole is all done. And again, this is chicken verde pozole. Very easy to make, and it's gonna taste amazing. Let's go in with a taste test. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Comfort food right here on a cold, cold night. You can't beat some chicken pozole. All right, friends, definitely give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments if you prefer green or red pozole. So let me know in the comments what's your favorite. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.